Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what maybe you're used to me doing. It's actually going to be a get ready with me, and this video is actually sponsored by Amazing Beauty Hair. They have lots of different hair extensions, and I've actually done videos on their hair extensions before, but I kind of want to incorporate it into my style of video, and I'm going to show you how I do my hair. I've already done my makeup. As you can see, I got my lashes on, and I have just like simple bronze tones going on here, and I just put on a little blush. Didn't really care for highlighter today just because my skin gets so oily. But yes, I do love my natural hair. This is just washed and air dried while I did my makeup, and as you can see, my hair is incredibly naturally straight. But this is my natural hair color, and to find hair extensions that match this color is pretty difficult. Luckily, Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions actually has my exact match, even like the highlights and lowlights. So yeah, let me show you how to put it on, how I wear my hair, and then we'll show my outfit, my bag, maybe even some jewelry and shoes. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm gonna have a lot of fun tonight. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm gonna put it in a high ponytail. I really like that style, and it really looks good with tops like this. This is actually a jumpsuit, which I'll show you at the end. But with stuff that doesn't really have anything on your chest or your back, it's nice to have your hair up so you can show all that off. I'm all about looking sexy. I really like how their extensions come. It comes in, of course, their box that says Amazing Beauty Hair Extension, 100% human hair. And then the actual hair extensions comes in this silky little baggie with golden tassels. And it comes with all your accessories such as your bobby pins and your hair ties. And here is a little clamp just in case, and a spoolie with a comb attached. They also come with some care instructions, so you'll know how to wash it and take care of it on a daily basis. I do want to show you what the extensions look like before I even put them on. You can see they're super silky and shiny, and just look at that. It is such a good match with my hair, and it might even add a little bit more blonde, which is never an issue. This is how it comes. It comes really long and straight, and then it has this piece that's going to wrap around the ponytail itself, which I'll show you when I'm done. But it also comes with a clasp. So let's go ahead and put this on our head. So I would start by putting your hair up in a high ponytail, and you can use the hair ties that it actually came with. Just tighten it as much as you can. My hair is naturally very long, but my issue is that it is not volumized. I have no volume. My hair cannot hold curls. It cannot hold any type of structure, and it's annoying, but everybody's hair has its thing, and that's definitely my thing. So now that you have your ponytail like this and you want to add some instant volume, this thing is going to give it to you. And the great thing about hair extensions is it doesn't have the hair problems that you would have. Like me, I can't curl it at all, and my hair wants to stay straight, and it will stay straight. It will have a curl for about 5 minutes, and then it will just fall right out. No hairspray or super expensive hair tool can achieve any look that I would want. So with this, you can actually curl it and wand it and do what you need to do with it, and it will look amazing and stay just like that. So now we're going to get the piece that has the clasp, and we're going to just insert it right underneath your ponytail. And then you're going to get the piece that wraps around, and you're going to use that as the secure piece. And now that you have it wrapped around and velcroed, because that's how it's going to stick, then you're just going to lift up your ponytail and start wrapping this tiny piece of hair around to cover that Velcro strip. Lastly, you're going to get your bobby pins, and you're going to secure that last piece of hair. These are some pretty sturdy bobby pins too. I really like that all this came together so that I didn't have to use my own. Definitely made this a lot easier. And there you go. There's my messy, super voluptuous ponytail. It looks so much better. And it definitely is a sexy look. I like to bring out, you know, some pieces in the front just to make it look a little bit more effortless. And I definitely recommend, you know, straightening it, including your own hair, just to combine everything together. But overall, this is super cute and looks so good. I love the way that it adds volume that shapes your face. And basically we are done with the ponytail. Now we're going to do the rest of our outfit. Alright you guys, this is basically my fit for tonight. This is a super cute outfit that I got from the mall. It's just one of those, you know, sexy stores in the mall. I'm wearing white stringy stiletto heels. I don't like my heels too tall. I kind of like to keep them nice and short just so I can wear them throughout the night and I won't be like miserably trying to get to my car after. And then also here is my bag, YSL, and it is just the envelope bag. That's nice and navy, it matches my outfit. I do have a bright blue Chanel that's very similar to this two color if you would combine them, but I thought that was just way too much blue. I like to keep it a little dark. So yeah, here we are, ready to step out. Super cute. And my hair looks so good, especially with this necklace. This is exactly how I would be doing it. So what do you guys think? Rate this outfit 1 to 10 in the comments. And you better say 10 because I look good. Very, very cute. I'm ready to take a couple pics and let's head out. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. Thank you to Amazing Beauty Hair for this awesome ponytail. I'm so glad I actually get some volume. My God, it's been long enough. This ponytail is 16 inches long and it is 80 grams of thickness. So if you want to get this ponytail, you can go in my description. I will have a link and I even have a discount code, you guys. It's AB Maria for $20 off. Don't miss out. Link in description. All right, you guys, gotta go. Bye.